Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add a border and format text in Microsoft Word. To start, open the Word document. After that, in the Insert menu, click on Text Box and then choose Simple Text Box. After this, enter the desired text. Adjust the text box to the desired position and, if necessary, edit the text you entered. Now select the text box, right-click on it, and click on Format Shape. Here in the side section, click on Line. Leave the solid line box active and in color, select the desired color. After that, in width, you can adjust the thickness of the line. For a more personal touch, in sketched style, select one of the shapes so you can see your text with a border in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.